You can't be serious. You want me to go on a date with a man that my bum is at risk with?
A deal is a deal.
It's a lie. You can't go.
It's a lie. Which one is a deal? Is a deal. Which one are you push you go and see that? What are you saying?
Trying to say, baby.
If I play you this thing finish, you feel go sell your property.
See, if you win me for this game, I'll bath naked.
Hey, this guy say one bath naked.
I dey tell you.
This guy one bath naked.
Play game. Your winning days are over, bro.
Okay.
All those are where they do now initial drag.
See, okay, go. You see Amabi?
My brother, pick money.
You want come board again?
My brother.
Come board now. What be that now? Come next person, come on.
Keep quiet. He dey shout, man, chop you.
You say I dey shout too much.
Make I chop you.
Even if na you chop all this kind of money since morning, why you no go shout?
Make I chop you simple. Yeah, they go win you the way they win me.
You see this game? Now this game I take become who I be for this life. You see this game? Now this game I take one build that house for village. You see this game? Now this game I go take train my children.
Money.
Let's say person dey go.
Alright, check out. Share that. Don't worry.
Guys, Fiona. This girl dey worry. She no dey gree make dem touch am. You know everybody is cookie all the time. Make we play game.
You know they allow me boys touch you. You want to stay close to the boys.
Make her tell her say we know dey.
Make she come. She don't really come now. David know the player. Come on. You know they see him. 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 Come on. You know they see him. I don't even waste time on top this guy, yo.
Can I tell you say they go flog you?
Hey! Akiniba! Is it because of this game you didn't see when I walked in?
You should know that when a man is concentrated in making money, he loses focus in other things.
Agidigba once he see money na ghost mode.
They supposed know,
I'm interested.
You are interested in what?
I want to play now.
Hey, my dear, this one is not telenovela or kunkun baja.
Is anybody watching Z World here?
I wonder.
Now what for you? This is a men's game. When we are talking about men, we are talking about men.
Money.
We're talking about serious men, and moreover, we are all gentlemen here. Especially me. I'm a very gentleman. I don't like to eat women's money.
If you are a gentleman, you wouldn't say no to a lady, right?
Why would I say no to a lady?
So, I want to play. In fact, I will double the stake.
Fiona.
Yes, I will double the stake. Let's play.
You will double the stake?
Yes, I will double the
see,
stake.
this thing you see us playing here, we are not playing one CD or two CD. What we are playing is 500 CD.
500 stick.
I will double the stake. I want... Stand.
Fiona don't cash out. Hey, Fiona.
Free now, my brother.
I know they like me person cry, yo. In case if I win her, she cry.
Good game.
I don't stake,
Fiona, they go win you.
I know be you now. What did they win like small pikin? They win you like small pikin. They win you like small pikin. They beat you like small pikin. What is
Fio.
Nah, because give me money, credit me, bring the money.
Nah,
I
Fiona.
know you like win women money. I know you like win women money.
You for tip me.
You don't make me win your money, but nevertheless, I go still collect them. Give me money, give me
Fiona,
money.
you don't cash out.
Fiona, how much they here?
500 cedis now.
You get now 1,000 she supposed to bring. Remain 500. 500. Now 1,000 you supposed to bring now. You want play while you here? You say you go double.
Fiona the wild girl.
Too much money. You see this money like this now, I they go use and go play 1xBet.
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 You
What's
never
that?
hear of 1xBet. And all of you like sports, you never hear of 1xBet. Hey, 1xBet is the best and most reliable betting platform. FC Barcelona is their official partner. Let me tell you the truth. And if you're into sports and you want to win money on 1xBet, just go and play 1x games. They have different games. They have the card games. They have the adventure games. And you can win spin. And you can also have cash back. All you have to do is go to their website. Use my promo code LENZY. And on your first deposit, it will be multiplied by 200%. That is if you put something like $100 there. they'll give you $200 on top.
Man.
It can't be $300.
This one be serious cash out.
Yes, so, and they get one bonus, so that they do now will be up to $260. I tell you, one XBet, sure. I can play one XBet.
Are you serious? Eh?
For you, why you think I the hustle since morning?
Now let's play again. I want to play.
You and who?
Let's play now. I want him.
You and who want to play?
See. Let's make it more interesting. If we play this game and you win, I'll allow you to do anything you like with me.
Fiona, you know, say I don't joke with this kind of things. So Fiona, I want to get it straight. If I win you, will you allow me to?
I said anything.
You sure? Can I start now?
If you win, put a.
But wait, let me ask you something. What if you win me? What will not happen?
If I win, you are going to give me all your wins.
Of course.
And I'll give you my best friend.
Wow.
Give me your best friend.
Yes.
What a
You
choice.
go out with my best friend.
Your best friend, fine.
Very.
Nah, wow.
You guys
Put
win.
game, put game.
But even if you no win, you go still win.
Yeah, not true. Even if I know win, I go still win. This guy. Me, I trust myself. Since morning, I may be the champion for here.
Didn't I tell you? Where my money,
Give it back. Wait, I don't understand. What
You don't understand what?
Let me pick up my
Alright, this girl do wayo.
She don't do wayo, she chop you physical.
My bestie is already here.
Your bestie is here.
Fiona.
So quickly.
Keep quiet, you are useless man. Agidigba,
You are useless
woman
man.
na win you. All the mouth wey you make, you don't clear.
Woman, 9 win.
Woman win you.
Imagine who they talk. See this guy. See this guy. We don't almost sell him property.
You better be not say I go carry my money give woman. Why not?
Wow.
Oh my God.
My brother, even if I don't lose my money, make I still use this one. They compensate myself.
good deal.
This is a good win for me. I'm going to win. Look at you. Nice.
Guys, say hi to my bestie.
Hello. Hi.
You look so good.
Photo.
Oh shit.
Wait, I don't understand. Is this the bestie I am going on a date with? You can't be serious. You want me to go on a date with a man that my bum is at risk with?
A deal is a deal.
It's a lie. You can't go.
It's a lie. Which one is a deal? Is a deal. Which one can you push? You can see that. What are you saying?
I'm trying to say, baby.
What is this one? What is that?
How you doing?
What am I doing? Meaning what? Come on. You like me, darling? Who is your darling? Look at that. What is this? What is this? Yeah!